Hello, darlings. Oh, it's Sunday here, nice and peaceful. Woohoo! I am here today. I've got another charity shop haul. It's a really big one today, though. And that's it. That's probably me done for a whole month. I've got to have a sort out and move things around now. Yeah. So let me go with my first one. I have this gorgeous puzzle. I mean, that's really educational, of course. Let's see, point out all the different sea life that we've got going on, all the different birds, and that's good. I really like them. So it's £2. It's nice. I have got, I love this bag. They give out free bags. These cute, aren't these cute? Someone's going to have a lovely Easter breakfast. I don't know who it's by. I can't quite read that. Made in Portugal. I don't know. You can read that. Well done. Something bold head, pine head. Don't know. But they are cute. Perfect for Easter. I have got this glass lemon squeezer, which will go in my chef son's Christmas bag because he said he wanted one, so I found one. That was good. Some adverts I picked up to go with my Halloween ones that I found the other day. Easter ones, yay! 2 packets of those, perfect. I have got this lovely, how cute is that for Valentine's, look. And it's heavy, these are stone. It's really nice. I don't know who made it, but I like it. So perfect for Valentine's necklace. This very boring but wonderful pair of trousers, which would be for work. I really like the fact that it's got this pattern on the back as well, so it's quite cute from the back as well. And it has real pockets, not just fake ones, although the back ones are fake, so okay. And they're I think they're called capri trousers, so perfect. And then this cute shirt, look at that. I love this. There was a lady, she must have been about, I don't know, 80 maybe, and she was dressed so beautifully. And I was joking to my daughter that she wears black all the time, and this lady said she liked red, and I went, oh, I really like green, but it's hard to find, and there was one right in front of me. So yeah, I don't know who made this. I don't know. No idea. But it's cute. I liked it. I like everything about that. And that goes really well actually with those new trousers. So that's that first bag. I have got, ooh, this next bag. Which I'm not sure, I can't even remember. Oh, I watched that film and the series. It was awful. But there was love there. So that's on my to-do list to read. These are not from a charity shop. These are from the works, which I really want to do. Okay, that one's from the works. I have got these little tickets, which are cute. They are date night tickets, but I think they're really cute as well, though. I think there was like 4 for £1 or something. 4 different things for £1, but they are cute. Hopefully there's nothing rude on there. And they can go in some Happy Mail as well. That. And that is for my son's box. The shaving, obviously. That is my other 4 for £1. Not really sure what I'd use this, but they're gummy, so I could just use it for glue. But I like, it was the envelope I liked. It was the envelope. And they were from the works too. Cute. The works. This is for, is going to be for my, I want to make a book junk journal. epoxy resin bookmark set, which I've never made or played with, so I thought that would be a good start. These were fun. Dead man's hands. I have no idea. Murders on the cards in Mississippi. Can you uncover the culprit? How to play. But these look, aren't these great for my scrapbook? All kinds. And then these. These are great fun. I love them. Don't know how you play the game. So I might play the game but use these afterwards. But anyway, yeah, £1 for some quite nice ephemera there, I think. I like them anyway. I thought, I'm going to have those. Ooh. I think some of it goes on there, I don't know. I quite like the box as well. It won't fit back in again, will it? Of course it never does. Okay, what's that there? Let me see what else I've got. I've got this gorgeous jumper, which I thought was hand knit because it feels like it, and it's got that lovely kind of neckline on it. But this is gorgeous, and I paid £4.50 for this, and I got really excited. I mean, it even looks like it is, but cheeky, 100% polyester, hand wash. Although I don't understand, 100% polyester hand wash. No idea. It doesn't say where it's made, so I've got a feeling it's probably just a repro, but it looks real, doesn't it? It looks genuine. And then I got you get some of these things that are mooching about here and there. These tiny owls, which will go on my display unit, which were 50p each. That one's real little china. That one I don't know. Handmade and painted in Scotland. This is 1986, 1986, I think. I can't read. And then some nice glass of some side beads. See? Are they gorgeous? I think there was £1 as well. That was my more for £1 for my little bunting, but I could take these apart. It's have to be bunting. These are just cute little tags. Look, gorge, huh? Those. These I think were 10p, but these would make really nice pockets in a Christmas journal. Either cut them and do it as a tuck, or I could just actually use them. One of these, I've already got one of these, so I will be selling this one because I know they're quite hard to come by. Let's look how beautiful is this. I love it. It is fantastic. So that's go, boys. Oh, vintage page. Excuse me. Stunning. And then I have got all of these little bits and bobs. I got 4 of these, I think, which is to do with my area. These were more kind of themed rather than the other ones were more like this with boats and things on, so this was nice. I think this is 4 for £1 as well, but there's some nice pictures in there, which, you know, it's strange. I'm sure I thought that was Rochester, but it's not. Okay, Sandwich apparently. So it's a good reading. This is funny. Army and Navy in Maidstone. Just because I remember it. But I love the picture on the front. Car. Carrera. What's this? 1986 as well. 2 years later. Sitting showroom in Maidstone. Oh, look at that. That's my youth. And here's the television. This one's gorgeous too. 85, so I've got ones in between each one. I'm a good read of those. And then this one. Oh, a wedding dress. And then these were also, I think, 4 for £1. I don't know how I managed to sneak another one in by accident. Little cross stitch kit. These are great for going on aeroplanes and things because they don't take up much room. And I've got the pattern, so easy peasy. And then some of these, which I'm not 100% sure what they are, so I'm going to have a look at these. But yeah, that's my charity shop thing. And I'll have to have a tidy up. So yeah, have a happy Sunday all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.